Hi, this is Les. I want to show you guys our new rainwater harvesting system. We're on the north side of the shop right now, and we'll just install these 4 IBC totes in series. And this is our first flush system. This is 4-inch PVC. This is pretty standard. This just ties into the gutter system. First flush system fills up. After that's full, the rest of the water heads over and into the system through this 3-inch pipe. The one notable difference that I've made to this system versus some of the others I've seen on the internet is this is a backwater valve, which is essentially a check valve for gravity pipe. It just has a flapper in here so the water can go this way, but the water can't go back the other way. It's pretty common in sanitary systems, although I haven't seen anyone using one on the internet, though it's probably out there somewhere. Most people use a float type valve, which is usually just a water bottle or something like that. It's full of air. So that when the water gets up to a certain height, it just basically blocks off the fitting. As you can see, there's 4 IBC totes. These are 275 gallons apiece. This is an 1,100 gallon system. I'm going to use this water to water the hogs with, which will be in the pasture behind the camera. And I can gravity feed down from here. They're connected down here with a 2-inch piece of 2-inch PVC. I will post a link up here to a good video series on how to build these. I'm not gonna do a build series on this. There's plenty of good information out there, so I'll just post a link. And I just wanted to show you the setup. I got a very good deal on these. I've seen tanks, plastic tanks are usually about $1 a gallon. I think I have seen as low as maybe 50 cents per gallon, but those are rare and I can't find anything that size locally. What I've been able to find locally is sometimes more than $1 a gallon. These are 18 cents per gallon. One last thing. Recently we've been seeing these shells up on top of this post, which is black walnut shells. Anyway, the dogs are cracking these and they wind up on the ground. And somehow they're getting to the top of this post. And the other day, medicine woman said, "Hey, are you putting these shells on top of the post?" And I said, "No, I thought you were doing it." She said, "No, I'm not doing it." So we finally solved this mystery. If anyone can guess how these walnuts are ending up on top of this post, I will give the first person who guesses a packet of any seeds from the store. So good luck and thanks for watching.